Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get the repost tab on your Instagram account. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just quickly get into the video. How to get the repost tab on your Instagram, I'm just going to show in this video. To get the post tab on your Instagram, first update your Instagram app first, then after open the Instagram account. So now the repost tab will be near the Reels tab. So to get this repost tab, first of all you just need to repost anything. So I just going to click on the repost. Now after reposting it, you just need to refresh your Instagram account. So now you can get the repost tab. So this is the way that you can just easily get the repost tab or repost update option on your Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.